Hi there. This is Dr. Ashok Kausilgi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Godavari Institute of Engineering and Technology, Autonomous, Rajahmundry. Today, I am going to discuss one concept called the types of cloud storages, which is a part of a cloud computing subject. So here you can see outline and objectives of this session. In an outline, we will see overview of a cloud, different types of a clouds, understanding of each type. And coming to the objectives, private or a public, the goals of a cloud computing is to provide easy, scalable access to a computing resources and IT services. And the second objectives of this today's session is cloud infrastructure involves hardware and software components, which takes specific requirements and their implementations in the cloud computing model. Coming to the overview of a cloud storage, as you all know very well that in today's generation, we are completely dependent on a cloud storage, wherein a traditional storing of a data has got vanished because as it was a time consuming, investment based, where it is a many more handheld devices in case if it is being slipped or being lost, there would be a risk of a data. But here in a cloud computing storage, we don't have any such problem because directly you will be storing it on the cloud storage where it is a safe and a secure. That is where the different types of a cloud storages comes into the picture. All these four different types of a cloud storages are meant for a specific use. Let us see what are those four different types of a cloud storages. Here you can see the first one is public cloud storage, second one is private cloud storage, and the third one is hybrid cloud storage, and the fourth one is community cloud storage. Let us see one by one in a more details. A public cloud storage, as name itself very clearly indicates, it is meant for the public use. Public in the sense, it is not where unwanted users enter into the group and start using a resource. Public resources, public cloud storage resources are being provided, and public cloud storage is only meant for the public users who are ready to make a payment for a certain space, and a certain space will be allocated to the public users, wherein it is also called the online storage, where a service model that provides a data storage based on pay per use basis. And this pay per use basis, how much ever space you occupy to store your data, the equal amount or the price tag fixed by the service providers should be paid by the consumer. The public cloud storage model is similar to the way a public utility like electric or gas provides and charges for their services. Coming to the private cloud, as name itself very clearly indicates that it is an internal cloud meant for an internal use, wherein no resource or no storage access will be provided to the unauthorized or intruders. So this cloud computing environment, which all the hardware and the software resources are dedicated specifically for some set of users or a set of organizations. Coming to the hybrid cloud storage, this is a third cloud storage. Hybrid is a mix of public and private, wherein some features of a public and some features of a private will be used here. Services will be appreciated in the hybrid cloud storage because whatever is missing in a public or a private will be provided here. Because a public may be restricted for some features wherein it is provided in a private, but in a private it is provided, but it will not be there in the public. So in that case, a hybrid is suggestible. So coming to the community cloud, as name itself again very clearly indicates that some set of a group of a people belongs to a similar category, where a similarity in terms of a work nature, a similarity in terms of a storage will be grouped together and made a community. This community may be a combination of organization or other combination of a individual person. So it is owned, managed, and operated by one or more organizations in the community. Also, there is a chance a third party or a combination of them also may access. These are the four different types of a cloud storages. So the conclusion is a cloud storage is a great way to store a data and a files. It is a convenient, reliable, and a secure. You can access your files from anywhere and you don't have to worry about losing them if something happens to your computer because they all get stored on the cloud. That's all for today's session. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next session.